In this video, I wanted to review Mdmp. I have an exam coming up, so I figured I'd make a slideshow, which would help me study and share with anybody else who's interested. I divided the slideshow or the review in 20 questions, so we'll get started. Question 1, what are the 6 warfighting functions? And that is sustainment, intelligence, mission command, maneuver, protection, and fires. And I made this memory aid. For some reason, it stuck with me. So you can pronounce it SIMPF. So SIMMPF. SIMPF. I want to pronounce it, but for some reason, it ended up sticking with me. 2, why make RFIs? And that's in order to clarify assumptions or to turn assumptions into facts. 3, what are the 3 Army planning methods? They are ADM, Mdmp, and TLPs. ADM stands for Army Design Methodology. Mdmp is a military decision-making process, and TLPs are troop leading procedures. 4, essential tasks are included where? Essential tasks are always included in the unit's mission statement. 5, ccirs are also known as what? They're known as wake-up criteria. 6, what are 2 requirements that make up ccirs? And those 2 requirements are PIRs, or Priority Intelligence Requirements, and FFIRs, Friendly Force Information Requirements. 7, how many steps in mission analysis? And there are 18 steps under MA. List 3 outputs in mission analysis. So when you come out of mission analysis, you should have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 8 outputs. So coming out of mission analysis, there should be at least 8 outputs. So I'm asking to name at least 3 outputs. Listed 5 here. They are problem statement, mission statement, initial commander's intent, initial planning guidance, evaluation criteria for COAs. 9, difference between implied and essential tasks. An implied task is a task that must be performed to accomplish a specified task or mission, but is not stated in the higher headquarters order. An essential task is specified or implied task that must be executed in order to accomplish the mission. So implied, something not clearly stated, but you need to in order to perform the task. And again, essential is something that must be done in order to accomplish the mission. All right, question 10. What are the 7 steps of Mdmp and their proper order? 1, receipt of mission. 2, mission analysis. 3, COA development. 4, COA analysis or war game. 5, COA comparison. 6, COA approval. 7, orders production. Next, IPBs are located in what step? IPBs are located under mission analysis, step 2. The COA sketch is located in what step? It's an easy one. The COA sketch is located in step 3 under COA development. All right, who controls the timeline? Another easy one. That's the XO. 14, who plays the enemy in war game? That's the S2, intelligence. Question 15, definition of restraints, constraints are found in what publication? And that is JP 5-0. I've been told that the joint publications have better definitions for this doctrine. 16, how many warning orders are there in Mdmp? Another easy one. There are 3 warning orders in Mdmp. 17, what annex is the S6 responsible for? Again, this is relative to my schoolhouse, and it's Annex H for signal. 18, 3 important documents for Mdmp. And that is FM 6-0, JP 50, and FM 6-02. The last FM, again, is relative to signal school. 19, what is a MCOO? MCOO stands for Modified Combined Obstacle Overlay. MCOO is a graphic product that portrays the effects of natural and urban terrain on military operations. Last question. The mission statement needs to have these 2 elements. And it needs to have a task, the what, and purpose, the why. Obviously, you need the who, what, where, and why for the mission statement, but these 2 elements are probably the most important, and that's the task and the purpose. Okay, I hope you found some value out of this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and any comments or feedback, please leave that in the comments. Thank you.